Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continuing working on 2014 Volkswagen Jetta that I'm doing for my sister, and you guys saw in the previous episode I finished with this corner, so the car is complete. Now what I need to do is sand everything, reapply seam sealer and get ready for the painting. And also I'm gonna be probably applying some Bondo some places. We'll see how everything gonna go. This needs to be done, primed in. If needs to be bonded and silicone it. Also, I forgot, I need to fix this rocker panel. So slightly ding over here and most of the damage over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grind this off and weld the plate over here, pull it and beat it out. So that's the plan for today. Finish with this, finish with that, and if I will have enough time towards the end of the day, try paint that corner over there, so next day I can reassemble everything that I have ready already for this vehicle. I mean, I have all the parts. It should go quick now. Let's begin the work without wasting any time. Let's clean that corner, prepare and finish it. Out of nowhere, this vehicle sits on its own wheels, huh? Yeah, because we need the frame rack. Frame rack is actually outside. My dad came in and I helped him fix the Mazda on this frame rack, which you guys gonna see some pictures and a video in this clip right here. So we had to take this down and I did a really quick repair over here. Pulled a little too much over here, but hey, I still need to work on it, and it's actually not bad. Slightly, this is lower, higher. I mean, I will fix that, no problem. And over here, I had to put the motor mount back so we can lower the vehicle. I'm gonna get the motor mount off again so I can sand, prepare for paint. I mean, body work needs to be done over here. So that's main goal, main focus right now is finish this corner over here, sand, apply a body filler where it needs, prime, so I can paint. And while this is gonna be curing all that, I'm gonna jump in probably on this or something else. I don't know yet, I haven't decided. So let's just continue working on this Jetta and hopefully we'll be done with it real soon. So yesterday, guys, I prepared this completely. Look how it looks. So I actually don't need any body filler. That's how it's gonna be. That's how I'm gonna paint it. Now I need to mask it off like so, over there, like so, back masking over here, and paint this area over here. Also back masking over here. So VIN number won't be painted, so when I have to pass the state patrol won't give me a hard time, because I have this experience already with the Passat a few years back. So it's prepared. Need to mask it off, paint it, and after I paint it, I can start working on dents. This is the dent puller off of my friend. I went ahead and bought it from him yesterday, so I went ahead and picked it up actually yesterday. So I'm gonna set the battery in, which is somewhere over there. I think, yeah, it's over there. So I'm gonna stick the battery in, gonna work on this area over here. I'm gonna work on all the dents. One over here, one over here, one over there, over there, and over there. Anyway, I'm gonna mark it with the block marker, you know, where I need to send it, and I'm gonna be working on the body filler. This over here, I was thinking to give it to dent repair for him to do it, but I decided while I'm borrowing this, I'll fix Volkswagen. And also I'm gonna start working on my truck and this weekends, and gonna do all the damage on my truck. Since my new tires came in, I kinda wanna bring this truck back to original glory. But the task today, like I said, is Volkswagen. So let's continue on that journey. Let's get this thing prepared for painting. Finished preparing this corner, ready to start painting. Let's do this. Finally, it's dry enough where I can touch and can install the motor mount back, so I can reattach the motor to the vehicle, and that way I can start working on the body. Every little ding that I have on this vehicle, I can work on it. So now let's just unmask, put back together, and when it's gonna be dry enough, or I would say completely towards the end of this day, I'm gonna start assembling front end on this vehicle. So it's gonna be fun. Finally this vehicle start looking like a vehicle and start getting somewhere. So let's just continue knocking those tasks down. So motor mount is back. I was thinking later on today I'm gonna be able to put the front end together, but the hinges is not prepared. So Michael gonna prepare the hinges while I'm gonna be working over here. But first what I wanted to do is I want to take this door off here, or should I leave it? I mean, the other door is fine, so I think I should leave it. So I'm gonna jump, I guess, on this door then. I'm gonna work with this damage, over here. So basically I wanna jump on this side and work on all the damage that needs to be done over here, disassemble this door, and then replace this door, fix this, then fully be done with this side, and then move to other side, and then I can work over here. And then of course body work, body filler. Some tons of body filler which I hate, but hey, let's just get it over with it and forget about it. One side is complete, and look at that, we finally have a rain. This is first rain in what, couple months? I would say couple months. Whole August we didn't have any rain. June, July, so it's June, so probably now it's September. It's 2-3 months for sure. This is first rain, really good, because we have lots of wildfires over here. But hey, I'm done with this side. Took me a while, especially quarter panel, but hey, I'm done with it. Check it out. So this dent pulled out, body filler. Same thing over here. Dent is pulled out. This one over here, this one over here. So this one is fixed, and that's where was the biggest damage. Everything looks good. I like it. So this side completely done. Now I can move to this side and work with this two dents over here. And I don't know, here's some kind of slightly damage and damage over here. So this won't take me long, and this won't take me long, hopefully. And this I will probably leave for later on, because this will need a lot of work. Welding plus working, so I'll probably spend 3-4 hours on this. So I'll leave this alone for now. Gonna finish this over here, and probably gonna jump in over here on the front end and gonna try assemble some of it. When I was installing this motor mount, I put my hand like this and made my fingerprint, but oh well, it's fine. So the whole front end can be reassembled. Some of the stuff can be hooked up, but I don't know if I'll have a time to do that. My main focus right now is on this metal. If I'll have enough time, then I'll jump on the front end and get the core support together at least, and we'll see what else can be done. But again, what time is it? 6 o'clock. Probably another hour here, and that's gonna be it. I don't know, we'll see. But let's just continue doing stuff and just getting closer every hour to the end. This happened way faster what I thought it would take me to finish this. Man, pretty nice. Everything came out pretty good. That's it. I'm done with the middle bodywork. I'm not gonna start today because I wanna start the bodywork, finish it, prepare it, and prime also at the same time. So I have some power left in me a little bit, so I decided to cut out this windshield and be over with it. Take it off of here because I don't like the way it sits over here, and all this goes on the dash, scratches the dash. So I think it's a perfect opportunity to get the windshield cut out. So where's that tool? I'm gonna be using this tool. We'll see how difficult it's gonna be. So guys, as you can see, it's the next day here. Yesterday, after cutting this windshield out, I was thinking to put this whole front end together, but then I went ahead to see what's going on over here on the other vehicle, on the parts car, and what I saw is I need to replace this AC lines, which is gonna be over here, and so on. So like, if I'm gonna put the core support, the radiator support, whatever you wanna call this in the front, and tie everything together, then it's gonna be harder for me to work over there. So I decided, screw it, I'm not gonna do it. I was tired and I wasn't feeling like ending this episode, so I decided to do it today. So hey, we did a lot of progress, did everything over here. Painted and finished the metal work on the car. Now the body work can start. So that's gonna be in next episode. Hope you guys enjoy it. You know what to do. Give me a like if you like it. Of course, leave your thoughts down below. And if you wanna see Inside Scoop before YouTube, follow me on Instagram at SalvageMasterV to see Inside Scoop there, what's going on before YouTube's finds out. So thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.